cupcakes, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really fun and exciting for you guys. I have partnered with COVERGIRL today to bring you guys this really beautiful doe-eyed look. If you guys follow me on all of my other social media handles, you probably already know that I had the wonderful opportunity to visit COVERGIRL's headquarters in New York. And it was really nice because I also got to visit COVERGIRL's lab and I got to see what goes behind the scenes, how things are packaged, how things are made, and I also got to see a little sneak peek of some of the products that we'll be launching later on. But one of the main things that I was really excited for you guys to see was this new, guys, are you ready for this? Augmented reality for you guys. Shut up. They sent us a link for us to try it out before they started launching, so I'm so excited and happy that I get to share this with you guys so that you guys can try it out for yourself too. So before we jump into the video, let me just share with you guys what this amazing tool does. So COVERGIRL launched a new augmented reality tool, which I like to shorten it and call the AR tool. And it's basically where you can try on 5 different on-trend looks that's designed with pre-selected COVERGIRL products. So basically all you have to do is click on this link, which I'll have it linked down below in the description box so that you guys can try it out for yourself. By the way, this is available on your desktop or your mobile device as long as you have a camera. So once you're on the link, you hit the launch camera to start button, then you allow access for the camera to work, and there you are. Once your camera has been launched and you're in the facial recognition zone, you can hit load looks and you can browse through all 5 looks just this way. Look how amazing this tool is. It's so accurate and it's really fun to see yourself with all these different looks without committing to it. And the best part is that you get to see the main products you need to recreate this look, and all you have to do is just add it to cart and you'll be on your way to creating this beautiful look yourself. So I'm actually on the AR tool right now, if you guys can see right here. Can you guys see me? Now, mind you, it works best when the light is in front of you instead of behind, so obviously right now it's not the best angle, but I just wanted to show it to you guys. Recently, I've been really inspired with these colorful and bright fun looks, so I thought this was the perfect look to do. I have all of the products here that I need to recreate this look, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so we're actually going to start with eyes today because I want to make sure that I have that really clean line. I actually took a screenshot of myself. My goal is to actually compare my final look with this look right here. I went ahead and primed my eyelids. This is the COVERGIRL Lid Lock-Up Eyeshadow Primer, and this is how it looks. It's not too sticky where your eyes will feel uncomfortable, but it's tacky enough so that your eyeshadow will stay put without flaking. So as recommended, I have the COVERGIRL True Naked Jewels eyeshadow palette with me right here. Let's start with a neutral transition color. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this right here. And using a fluffy brush, I'm just going to apply this pretty much all over my crease area. Same thing for the other side, but make sure you're not going too far up. We want to be just below the brow bone. Alright, now using a smaller buffing brush, I'm going to apply this really pretty, what am I pointing at? This really pretty purple shade right here. Oh my god, I'm so excited to blend these two out together. I'm telling you, this is so accurate. Look at this. Do you guys see my eyes over here? I have no makeup on here. I'm trying to be better, okay? I'm trying to be better. Alright, and we're just gonna apply that right on the outer corner. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna blend it right below where I applied the transition color. Same thing to the other side. Alright, I'm gonna be a little extra and apply this really pretty frosty shade right here on the inner corner. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, do you guys see how pigmented this is? This literally just brought this whole look together. For liner today, I'm going to be using this beautiful liquid liner in teal crystal. I usually don't like eyeliners with the brush that look like this, but this is actually really easy to use. Like, I'm not struggling at all. I'm pretty happy with this line. Oh man, I'm really happy with how this turned out. Ooh. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this really pretty blue shade right here on top of the liner, but not too much. I just want to soften it out a little. Oh, yes. All right, I'm really happy with how everything is looking. I didn't even need to do the eyes first. This liner was so easy to use that I didn't have to do any cleanup. So I went ahead and curled my lashes, and for mascara today, we'll be using my absolute favorite, the Peacock Flare Mascara by COVERGIRL. Guys, let me just demonstrate how magical this mascara is. Look at these lashes, guys. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you guys know how pathetic my lashes are, okay? Let's all acknowledge how pathetic my real lashes are. Alright, so to save a little bit of time, I went ahead and did my foundation and concealer and all that. I actually have a separate dedicated video of me reviewing this foundation right here, which is the COVERGIRL Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation. I have it in the shade Buff Beige. For concealer underneath my eyes today, I'm wearing the COVERGIRL Vitalist Healthy Concealer in Light. And I absolutely love this because it's one of those that you twist off, so you don't waste a lot of products and you just kind of brush it on. So this was really easy. Then I went ahead and set everything down using the COVERGIRL Vitalist Healthy Powder in Classic Ivory. I'm gonna first start with the Easy Breezy Brow Sculpt and Set Pomade. This is in Soft Blonde or 720. I love that it comes with the little brush on the top. This is super travel friendly. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip some in here. Then for the ends, I'm gonna go in with the Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in Honey Brown or 715. Alright, that looks good to me. I'm really happy with how my brows turned out today. For highlighter today, I'm going to use the Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter Illuminator in number 2. I love how bouncy and creamy this product is, and this has a really pretty gold pearlescent glow. A little bit on my nose. Love this. Alright, to finish up the eyes, I'm going to go back to this shade right here and just blend it on my lower lash line. Just because I love this mascara so much, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little on my lower lash line as well. For my lips, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick in Gelebrity. I love the name. I'm going to start by applying it on the center of my lips first. Not applying any more, but just using the applicator. I'm just like kind of smudging it out. Oh man, I love this lip color and not sticky. It's like really comfortable to wear. What do you think? I think it's pretty similar actually. Look, the lip color is like literally accurate. And I think I did a pretty good job on the eyes. All of these colors are popping. Oh man. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys get to try out the Air tool yourself. Again, I'll have the link down below in the description box. Please let me know in the comments if you tried it, if you recreated any of the 5 looks. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!